Gentlemen, happy altcoin season, everybody. Happy bull run, everybody. Hope everybody are printing dineros today. Guys, make sure if you watch us live now, click the like. We need your support. We need your likes, your love, your leaky love for us to get to more audience because we are not getting a lot of views and we need your likes. We need your support. Anyway, guys, today we're gonna talk altcoin season. This is a live. You feel free to drop your coins. We can look on your coins. We're gonna look on charts. We're gonna show you the daddies of the daddies. And let's dive into the video. Sir Jomo, what do you want to share something? You want to talk about something?
What's up? What's up, CM? How are you doing? Yes, happy move, everybody. Happy move, everybody. We are happy campers. Let's talk about, the big daddy first, CM. Let's talk about the big daddy first. We want to talk about Bitcoin because, with all the respect to everything else, Bitcoin is what is propelling the move right now, okay? It is what's propelling the move. Look at Bitcoin. Look, what a beautiful move. Okay, what a beautiful move. We had all this downtrend. We know what happened over there, and then it created this shakeout. I call this an expectation breaker. Okay, why? Because we had two lower lows, and then we thought that if we break this, the expectation is that we were going to continue down, but it went below, but went back up, gave us a nice sideways action. This was an entry for the members, all right? This is an entry for the members. We showed this a few times, and ever since it's moving high, of course, and we added to this position on this breakout over here, okay? So even the second breakout is big in profit. And this is a trade we could have been easily and safely in a big position in Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is what's leading the way. This is what we've been telling everyone in the past, couple of weeks to a month since we started to see that we're in a potential bottoming phase. We talked about it multiple times, how we're going to wait for confirmation after all that downtrend we had on altcoin, 90% down, 8% down, whatever. We waited for a tradable bottom. We started trading 3 weeks ago on the long side, okay, with Casper breaking out and with more and more trades, and with Bitcoin, of course, and Bitcoin was the big daddy leading the way. This was the day everything started breaking out. And now, of course, after this break and above the 100K level, things are looking sweet, okay? And this is as expected. We've been talking about this, that this is what we have been expecting too, okay? Now, I would love to see Bitcoin consolidate below the highs and then break out. We don't know what will do. It doesn't give me what I want usually. But one thing I don't want to see, CM, I don't want to see Bitcoin going below 100,000 again. Okay, I want it to just clear this level and not see below 100,000 again to really feel that we have that strength. Okay, yes, we can retest it if you want. I don't, you want to retest the 100, maybe do a peaky and then back up. Okay, but just for an hour or two, nothing more, because I want to see this strength continuing, CM. I want to see the strength continuing, and I want to see this breakout of the 110 finally. I want to see a clean breakout. I want everyone to start printing dineros. That's what I want. CM,
I want the Ferrari, Jomo. I want the
you
Ferrari, and I want a hot blonde babe with huge boobs, and on my face, and then I take a trade. I take a virtual trade. Printing 40% in a day while the air boobs is on my face. Woohoo! Let's go, man. Let's go. What I want, man. Obviously, we all want Bitcoin to keep pushing higher. We get it now. When with the Bitcoin strength, we're getting this altcoin movement strength that we love in the community. We love it because that's where we make the money, man. Bitcoin is give us the green signal, the green light. Boom! Time to push on the gas. Now time for us and for everybody to lock in and search for the next breakout. Search for the next breakout trade, the next fundamentals, the next printer to print money. Guys, I'm going to show you now charts on the altcoin market that will make you drool and make you scream like woohoo. But make sure, guys, hook the like, give us a like now, like the video, tweet it the video, and drop all your coins in the chat. Now we're going to look on all your coins. This is a party. This is an altcoin party. It's a festival. It's a carnival. Let's go, man. I'm going to show you the chart first of all. Let me show you.
it is a carnival, isn't it?
Man, This is a fiesta, man, a fiesta. Okay, we start, first of all, I want to start with the Bitcoin dominance. Getting destroyed, broke down of a rising channel, rising wedge. Looks like a significant top or a top here. You can see here higher high fake out on the Bitcoin dominance, and it just broke down below this high. That means altcoins are back. Altcoins are doing a comeback. Again, most altcoins are rubbish. You want to trade the best coins. You want to make money. That's why you want to join our community with the link below. The Bitcoin dominance gave us a buy signal for altcoins here yesterday. If you missed that one, that's okay. We believe this alt season is just starting now. Window of opportunity. How long, how low it's gonna go, no one knows. But make sure, guys, to click the bell so you not miss any of these live streams. Click the bell notification. Now, this is the first chart you want to pay attention to. Looking amazing, okay? Looking amazing. And if you look on the weekly, it's now forming a bearish engulfing weekly candle with a topping tail. Really, this is heaven for altcoin traders. Heaven. Again, we want to see more downside on it, and then you print more money, easy peasy. Now, another chart, USDT dominance coming back down. That means when USDT dominance going down, that's when you start printing money. You can see USDT dominance topped out here. What's Bitcoin bottom? That was your signal to start scooping some altcoins and Bitcoin. Definitely Bitcoin here. And now with Ethereum strength, we're getting some good love on the altcoins. Now, this is the altcoins signal. And also ETH BTC, guys, my friend, I'll show you something that, no one is watching. Look at this. ETH BTC bouncing from support of November 2019. November 2019, it got destroyed for the last 3 years. Now, if you look carefully, the last time you had an ETH BTC relief rally, a proper rally, was in July 2022. Through all this cycle, we had no rally. And I believe if there will be an ETH BTC rally like this one, it's now. It's now, my friend. From here, super oversold. We're going to get a ETH BTC rally, and then altcoin can thrive. Altcoin can expand. Altcoins can melt your effing face. And that's what we want. That's what we want. Guys, cook the like, smash the like. Oh, let's look on Kaspa. Kaspa is breaking out. Kaspa is breaking out. Let's look on Kaspa. Guys, all the Kaspa lovers, like, subscribe, click the bell, because Kaspa is going to melt your face now. I'll show you the Kaspa chart. 1 second, I'll show you the Kaspa chart. Give me a sec. Kas. Where's Kas, man?
Kaspa, man. Show the Kaspa chart, man. It's rocking and rolling.
Yeah, it's coming here. I think that you're seeing it now, right?
Yes.
All right, so we have this consolidation here. You can say some kind of a little triangle here, breakout here. Now the big breakout is here, my friends. That's the big breakouts. This one, okay. This is the area you want to see Kaspa above. Then we believe a melt up is coming. I believe it's gonna go probably to the 1.4 area, maybe even to this area. Okay, with this current market environment we're in, I don't see any reason for Kaspa not to go to the 1.6 pretty fast, man. Pretty fast. And if you don't have a bag, you're gonna cry for your mommy for not having a bag. So put Kaspa red hot on the radar. It's a lagger. It's allowing latest, people that missed out yesterday pumps, they can buy Kaspa now because it's still quite cheap, relatively low risk, and it can offer you amazing profits, in my opinion. So definitely watch Kaspa, and definitely we're gonna buy we already bought Kaspa yesterday, and we're buying more on the break above 11 cents. All the people in the community. By the way, want to show you guys, we've been printing money.
Yeah, look, I have all the pictures here. I have everything from this membership. Allow me to show it. Look, this is the Bitcoin breakout from the $83,000. We've taken it ever since here. Buy now, big capital, right, with some stops, always risk management. We started here already making money. We added on Bitcoin, of course, at the 95, 96 breakout. Okay, so we added to the position. Of course, we take profits and add. Okay, we don't just hold, but we take profits. Look at Kaspa. This was actually the pullback buy after we already made money from the 8 cents breakout. We sold, it pulled back. We bought the pullback on Caspa and it's breaking. We're going to add, of course, above it. Virtual trades already more than 100%, 150%. This is the first entry. Of course, yesterday was a pullback by second entry. After making above 100%, it retraced again, putting back into virtuals. So we have been printing money. Nairo ETH yesterday buy, very good. Tau buy from 2 weeks ago, started here, added here on Tau. Everything is just moving in our favor, CM. This is what is called a printing of money in our membership for our members. We give them, the entries, we give them red hot when to enter at the good times. We started at the 83,000 Bitcoin. That's very close to the bottom, CM. Very close to the bottom. And that's how we do it. We don't try to guess the bottom, CM. We didn't try to guess the bottom. We waited, small confirmation, had that expectation breakout, built that flag, boom. We understood big confirmation is coming and we're smashing it ever since. So well done, CM. Well done for all our members. They are being happy campers. And we have more and more of these coins. This is a few, CM. Yeah.
Bro, people that joined, let's say, yesterday, let's say they take the lifetime membership, for like 3K, whatever, lifetime membership, man, they already regained all the fee, man, people printing money in the last 2 weeks, man, like multiple tens of thousands and hundreds of thousands from the trade. The fee for the membership is so outrageously cheap. It's like, man, I lose money. This is a joke. Join the community, man. This is the printing season, man. Join us, a trading service. We're gonna make you a trader, a profitable trader, and we're going to retain all the gains you're going to make now. We're going to retain it once the market will roll over, because we have
CM, I need to correct you. We haven't been printing money only for the past 2 weeks, all right? This is only for the long side. We actually been printing since the beginning of the year, and of course, before that, by beginning of the year, shorting the market. We know how to short the market. We've been shorting. Then we got out with profits, kept the profits of the shorts, wait a little bit for the confirmation, and now we're pinning on the long side. That's how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to come to a professional group, not to a, whack-a-mole, buy whatever, fake gurus, things that they don't know what they're doing, this is where you want to be. The rest, are not giving you a real edge in the market. And we're showing this over and over and over. We have credentials, and I love that. What about some questions? Do we have anyone here giving us some questions?
Yeah. No, first of all, thank you, John Gloven, man. You're the boss. This is our lifetime member. Happy to have you in the community, man. Happy to help you print dineros. Now, look, we have a question here. Can Caspa go to $1 without smart contract? That's the problem of most crypto investors. They look for nonsense instead of looking for gains, for profits, for assets, for wealth generation. You look for $1. Who cares about the smart contract? Who cares about if it can go to $1? Your mindset is wrong, man. You need to be caring. Will I take a trade now and profit 50% or 40% in a couple of days on the Caspa trade? You don't wanna be like hoping, okay? You want to be profiting. It's totally different, man. $1 could be. I'm not gonna talk about it as long as we're below 20 cents. There is nothing to talk about $1, man. And really, I'm not gonna talk about $1 even after we're gonna break 20 cents, because it is 5x from the 20-cent mark. So, man, you gotta be realistic when you trade crypto. Crypto is not a kindergarten. It's not a walk in the park. It's a professional market. You treat it professionally, you can print money. You are not treating it professionally. You're treating it like a baby boy's dreaming going to McDonald's to buy chips, No. That's not how you make money. Woo. Oh, wow. Everything is joining the party, man. Oh, my God.
Yeah.
I have a trade. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Okay, let's see if we have anything else. Okay, Cass broke off the wedge. NT trees. Cheers, man. NT3's been printing money with us. How you doing, bro? What else we have here? Everyone, every time cast looks like it's pumping. Ray Lewis. Who are these guys? What? Who are these?
I have no idea,
What is
man,
that?
who those people are, man.
People are
No, don't be
loco,
that
loco.
kind of person that looks for people that supposedly manipulate and stop and whatever. It doesn't matter. If the market wants Casper to go up, it will go up. Doesn't matter who those people are. Okay, the market will decide, not those two people.
Bro, Mr. James Grayzones, my friend, you don't wait. Join the community. You need to enter the proper trades because most trades now already extended from their bases. They are high risk to buy now. You want to buy breakouts of coins from their bases. You don't want to ape in coins that already doubled in the last day because that's how you are getting wrecked. Okay. Now, if you do want our service, join below, man. You have the link below, man. Do yourself a favor. And if you know how to trade and you're like, nah, you probably don't know how to trade if you ask that stuff. You probably don't know how to trade. So make sure to learn how to trade because, man, it's not about your timing. The market don't care about your timing. The market don't care about nobody, man. This market is like insane. Jomo and I know it, man. This market don't wait for you, man. You go clean your windows, man, in your apartment. The market already ripping without you, man. So if you're not ready there, like a hunter, you're gonna miss out on all the big movers and all the trade. The market will not wait for you. So what you need to do is learn how to trade and how to spot these opportunities with the low risk before
Exactly.
they pop. Before they pop.
Yeah, I would argue don't just ape in if that's what you're asking. Don't ape in buying YOLO because I think he's trying to ask, should I just buy things right now or wait? Okay, so the answer is you shouldn't wait to join our membership. You should join it right now because we're going to show you exactly how to do it. But if you're looking at just aping in, don't ape in, okay? Enter, all right, in the right moments, okay? Where there's low risk and high asymmetric reward. If you're operating differently, then you're probably going to lose in the long term. So don't wait to get knowledge. Do wait to get into something with a better entry. That's what we're trying to say over here. Very important.
And even if you ape in, Mr. Jade, before you ape in, first of all, define how much capital you're allocating to this ape in strategy and define where is your exit. That means if the trades goes against you, and define where you're going to take profits on this strategy. Because if you don't have a plan, you're not gonna reach your destination. Get me? When you go traveling Mexico, you go with a plan, we go with a map, right? If you don't have a map, you're gonna get lost. That's why most people in crypto get lost and they go to wrecked city because they have no map, they have no plan, they have no strategy, they get wrecked. The market flash them all. That's my 2 cents, sir. Let's look on this one. Foxy forming around the bottom. Woohoo!
After going to the depth of hell, that's how he said it. I like how he phrased it.
Let me show you 1 second. Let's look on Mr. Foxy.
Oh, look!
Lady.
Oh my God, we have someone that is trying to fade us. We're gonna get to him in a second. I love it.
Foxy. Yeah. What? That's not Foxy. 1 second.
You want me to share it?
Oh yeah, I have it. That's Foxy Lady. Okay, yeah, looking pretty nice.
We're not seeing it. We're not seeing it.
Okay, 1 second. Oh yeah. What?
Yeah.
Now you see it? All right, this is Foxy. It's all right. Not my cup of tea because it's a bit lagger. It's not really pumping. Obviously, it can put this kind of candle at any moment, but I have others, and I'm happy with my other trade. Not my cup of tea. And it's actually been pretty rug pullish. You can see this, what happened to it here. So for me, I have others, that shows much more strength and they are much more liquid, much less risky. So that's what we like. This coin is all right, but no, not for me. So
For sure. Mr. Chitek is asking about PopCat. Maybe I'll share it.
you go for it, man. Show it.
All right, so let me share PopCat. So PopCat is an interesting one because I was looking at it like a hawk, and unfortunately I missed the entry. The good entry was here. And ever since it broke out, we took out the trades. Of course, we made money, but this was a really good one to take. So it's already up and running. Right now over here, it's extended. You can't, of course, it can go higher. It can, as CM says, anything can print a huge candle and you can get lucky. But we don't rely on luck in our entries, okay? We rely on an edge and on precise entries. So PopCat definitely, all right, is one of the leaders because as you see, it was one of those that broke out first and then just printed sideways action before continuing. So there is continuation. This is a beautiful continuation, as you know it should do after pumping one of the first ones. So it can be considered one of the leaders on the meme coin sector, definitely moving. But if I were Chitek, I would be waiting right now. If you didn't enter, all right, either here, okay, or here, all right, don't just ape in here because you need a better entry. And it can print, it can go like this, and then one day it will go south and then break out again, and then you will have another entry. PopCat definitely an interesting, asset to watch and to have on your radar for a potential continuation because it is showing that it has, buyers overwhelming sellers. Even though it's slowly but surely, it's kind of stepping up. That's how you want, your assets to look like. So definitely an interesting one for us.
PopCat to the moon, baby. Now we have another question. By the way, guys, please like the video. Please like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Click the bell notification and leave a comment. If your favorite coin now, which coin you're printing money, please share it with us. Which coin make you not sleep in the night? Make you wake up at 5 a.m. with like yellows in your eyes and run into your laptop. I'm up a ton. Which one? Now look, this guy is asking, what's the minimum amount of money you recommend to have to start trading? Well, man, it's up to you. 1K minimum, 1K, 2K, any amount is good. 1K, 2K, the more the merrier. Let's say if you have 100K capital and you're like investor, keep 50K on your investment bag, and then take 50 for your trading bag, and then start small. Start with like 20 of the trading bag, and then slowly as you make money, you get progress. Then grow your trading capital. If you see your trading capital make you more money than you're investing, cut the investing nonsense and use all the 100K for the trading capital and flip it to swing trades. That means weeks to month trades, and then to day trades or short-term trades, daily to couple of weeks trades. And then you can lock in your trading adventures.
CM,
Yes,
I
sir.
have someone that started with me with $200 and made 5,000. And yeah, and right now his capital is at 5,000. He started with $200 and now he has $5,000.
Really?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Use leverage. What the F?
Well, he did use leverage, but he used a bit more risky, instead of being at a 1% loss of total capital, he aimed for 5, maybe 7 at times. So he's young, he has more risk appetite, and he started with $200, said, you know what, I want to do it faster. So we created a way for him to still respect risk with a bit higher, risk per trade, but of course with more potential for reward. And he's been killing it, man. He's been killing it. So from $200 to 5,000. Now people can say, "What's $5,000?" You can't, close a month with it. But remember, this person is young. He's learning a new skill set, and if he knows how to take 200 to 5,000, eventually he's going to take this 5,000 to 1 million. Okay, it's just a matter of time because he actually learned how this skill works. All right. Probably is going to be a better trader than I am eventually. He's going to be the master eventually, but he learned something.
He's going to melt my face. He's melting our faces, Jomo.
He's good, man. He's good. He's young, hungry, and he wants to learn. This is everything he does.
Well, man, bring him. We should bring him to the live stream, to share some tips for the baby boys with the $200.
We'll do that. We should do that.
All right. What's the minimum?
This is what we ask.
Amount of money. Oh, this one we saw. This one. What is your Casper price prediction by July, end of year? Man, we don't do price prediction. We follow trends. Once we see exhaustions of trend, a topping out of the trend, then we cash out. We don't care about our opinion, our predictions, nonsense. It doesn't matter. We follow the market. The market is our daddy. Once it shows signs of topping, just like it did in the last summer, and we told you to sell your Kappa, we told you be careful, they're gonna rug it. It's gonna do it again, and we're gonna tell you again. So click the bell, smash the like, cook the like, leave a comment, and don't look for predictions. Look for strategy to make money.
Exactly.
Money.
Exactly.
Money is all matters.
See, that's I think it's well, I don't want to call it like a sickness, but I think it's the fallacy mentality of people that they're trying to predict. No professional trader, no professional investor ever. You can go to YouTube, watch all the greats, William O'Neill, Mark Minervinis, Paul Tudor Jones, billionaires, right? You will never hear them telling you my prediction for the market is X by certain time like July, okay? You're literally trying to figure out if anyone has a crystal ball, Mr. Noel. Noel, nadie tiene un crystal ball, hermano. Noel, I think, is like Spanish, right? So no one has a crystal ball. No one has a crystal ball. So you stop with the prediction. That will just lead you to, I don't know, to feel like a loco. To feel like a loco, man. You will get loco trying to predict.
He will get
That's not how you operate.
He will get wrecked. Why? Because his investment will go up 10x or 5x, and then his prediction will be like 10x higher, and then he will be waiting. He will be waiting for his prediction while all the other market participants cashing out their millions. This guy will be left holding the bag last. You know, you don't want to be the bag holder, the last bag holder. No. That's why. Ignore predictions. Ignore this nonsense. Keep your mental capital in shape. Stop with the bullshit toilet paper from YouTube, Twitter, or all this garbage, man. And follow traders and investors and YouTubers that actually give you some good alpha, profit-taking strategies. You know, good stuff. You know, don't follow the baby boys with the pimples, because you're gonna end up like them, with pimples and broke as F in your garage of your parents. You don't want that, my friend. You don't want that.
You definitely don't want that. Definitely, you don't want that. You want to learn a skill set, man, for sure. What else do you have?
Yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. Click the bell, subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, drop them now. We're gonna wrap it up. Meanwhile, I'm gonna share with you the trades. The trade. Let me show you that my best coin, my new love in
Virtual.
crypto. Its name is Virtual is my new love, my new missus. I get a boner every day by looking on the virtual chart. This is the trade alert from the community at 25th of April. Boom, everybody got notified. Everybody took that breakout. That's the breakout. Buy the break above 85. Show you the virtual trade, man. Let me show you. Where is my virtual baby boy? Where is it? Ooh, I'm in love, man. Look at this. That's actually was the entry here. Boom, 85. Man, that's how you print money. You follow the greatest. You follow the legends. And you're up on the runner 160% in no time, in less than 2 weeks. And then yesterday we bought the dip here. That was the trade from yesterday. Buy now. You know, you throw 20K, you throw 10K, boom. The price was 154. Look at the price now. 2-1, okay? That's a huge gain in one day. 154 to 2-1. It's 40% move in less than 1 day, man, with no effing leverage. That's why I'm in love with virtuals, and because it's making me money, man. Money. Brr, brr, brr. Man, the membership is so cheap. You know, only the trade on virtual cover the membership for all our members for the next 10 years. 10 years. Or and really, they can buy lifetime membership now over and over and over to all their families and sisters in their neighborhoods, you know? So really, do yourself a favor. Stop being a loser. Stop looking for predictions, for God's sake, and look for money. Follow me, follow Jomo. You're gonna print money, man. All right, let's go here. What do we have? Alpha coins. What do you think is alpha coins?
I,
Virtual, my friend. Virtual.
I
Virtual is an alpha.
Oh, I thought he's referring to an alpha. There's a coin called alpha, and it's like a rug pull. So I hope he's not referring to that coin. He's asking about what's the best coins. Yeah, look, virtuals. We gave you one today. We talked about Casper. We think that's a good coin as well. We have a video, not from long ago, where we discussed, leader coins. You can go check that out for sure. Okay, go check that video because we talked about the best coins we think can be good.
Yeah, man. Well, just look on this guy and we'll wrap it up, man, because I gotta go. AXL. Let's look on AXL. Well, man, we cannot ride all the coins in the world. This coin is pumping. Congrats for you. I'm not in a position. I don't have any position. Looking very cute, but it's not one of. It's for me. It's not a banger because it's a
lagger.
For me, it's a toilet. It's a toilet paper. It's a toilet paper. You know. You see, this is. Look at this chart from highs to lows. Okay, from March 2024. Okay, you are now in May 2025. Look on virtual chart. Okay, and see the difference for yourself, man. Look, I take the big chart. One sec. Alrighty. Look at this. Look at go log scale, so you will see where you are, man. Look at the difference. This is July 2024. It's not even March. Yeah. This is July 2024. The price was 2 cents, man. Now this coin is at $2, man. That's 100x. This is what we're looking for, my friend. This is the money. Put it in your fucking mind. You're buying losers. Man, 99% of crypto people, they buy losers, they average losers, they losers, and that's why they lose, because they buy losers. We are not. We buy only the winners, and only when they pump. Not before. Only when they're hot, we buy them. That's how you make money.
I would argue differently, CM. Even if he thinks, that this is a good thing, instead of, it doesn't matter what happened 2 years ago. What matters is what happened in the past 2 weeks. In the past 2 weeks, AXL made a 20-30% move, while others made 100, 200, 300% move. Sideways it continued, like virtuals, for example, like Turbo right now, like Narrow ETH, which we're trading, and more things. You wanna concentrate on the ones that are the strongest. That's how we trade. CM, I think we're done for today. I think this is good for the day. We gave alpha. People, hopefully they understood. They need to join our membership for alpha. They can use a 20% discount, and they should join our seminar happening next week on the 19th of May, not next week, the week afterwards, sorry, the bull market seminar, how to make money in bull trends. It's dirt cheap. You can use the 20%. Scan the QR code right now. Go for it. It's a seminar. We're going to teach you in 3 hours how to find opportunities, how to trade those opportunities, how to manage risk, and how to book in your profits and slowly building and accumulating and compounding your P&L over time instead of hoping, relying on luck, not having any risk management, making money and losing, boom and bust cycles. We're going to teach you how to do it the professional way, the good way to make money, just like CM, all the beautiful trades, just like me, how we do it over and over again. Scan the QR code. Scan it now. Smash the like button. Cook it. Cook the bell notification as well. We're going to see you in the next one, CM. Thank you very much for today. Till next time, no edge.